Dad, what's that red flower called? Dad, what's that red flower called?
That's a rose, my son. That's a rose, my son.
Why do bees make that buzzing sound? Why do bees make that buzzing sound?
They move their wings very fast. They move their wings very fast.
Can we plant a tree together? Can we plant a tree together?
Yes, that's a wonderful idea. Yes, that's a wonderful idea.
How do flowers grow so big? How do flowers grow so big?
They need water, sun, and good soil. They need water, sun, and good soil.
What's your favorite color flower? What's your favorite color flower?
I love the yellow sunflowers. I love the yellow sunflowers.
Why do birds sing in the morning? Why do birds sing in the morning?
They're happy to see the sunrise. They're happy to see the sunrise.
Can I water the plants today? Can I water the plants today?
Of course, but be gentle with them. Of course, but be gentle with them.
What makes the grass so green? What makes the grass so green?
Rain and sunshine help it grow. Rain and sunshine help it grow.
Why do some leaves fall down? Why do some leaves fall down?
This autumn, so trees rest for winter. This autumn, so trees rest for winter.
Can we have a picnic here tomorrow? Can we have a picnic here tomorrow?
That sounds like a great plan. That sounds like a great plan.
What's that butterfly doing? What's that butterfly doing?
It's looking for sweet flower nectar. It's looking for sweet flower nectar.
Why do we need to pull weeds? Why do we need to pull weeds?
Weeds take food away from good plants. Weeds take food away from good plants.
Can I pick some flowers for Mom? Can I pick some flowers for Mom?
Yes, but only pick a few. Yes, but only pick a few.
What time do you like the garden best? What time do you like the garden best?
I love it early in the morning. I love it early in the morning.
Why is the dirt brown? Why is the dirt brown?
It's full of nutrients that plants need. It's full of nutrients that plants need.
Can we build a small pond here? Can we build a small pond here?
Maybe next year when you're older. Maybe next year when you're older.
What's that crawling on the leaf? What's that crawling on the leaf?
That's a little green caterpillar. That's a little green caterpillar.
Why do flowers smell so nice? Why do flowers smell so nice?
They want to attract bees and butterflies. They want to attract bees and butterflies.
Can I help you plant seeds? Can I help you plant seeds?
Yes, you're my best gardening helper. Yes, you're my best gardening helper.
What happens to flowers in winter? What happens to flowers in winter?
Some sleep, but others keep blooming. Some sleep, but others keep blooming.
Why do we sit on the grass? Why do we sit on the grass?
Because it's soft and comfortable. Because it's soft and comfortable.
Can we grow vegetables here too? Can we grow vegetables here too?
Yes, we can plant tomatoes and carrots. Yes, we can plant tomatoes and carrots.
What makes the wind blow? What makes the wind blow?
Air moves from place to place. Air moves from place to place.
Why do ants walk in a line? Why do ants walk in a line?
They follow each other to find food. They follow each other to find food.
Can we stay here until dark? Can we stay here until dark?
Yes, we can watch the stars come out. Yes, we can watch the stars come out. Are you comfortable sitting here? Are you comfortable sitting here?
Yes, Dad, the grass is very soft. Yes, Dad, the grass is very soft.
What do you think about this weather? What do you think about this weather?
It's perfect for playing outside. It's perfect for playing outside.
Can you see any birds in the trees? Can you see any birds in the trees?
Yes, there's a robin on that branch. Yes, there's a robin on that branch.
What's your favorite thing in our garden? What's your favorite thing in our garden?
I love the big oak tree the most. I love the big oak tree the most.
Do you like spending time outside? Do you like spending time outside?
Yes, it's much better than staying inside. Yes, it's much better than staying inside.
Can you smell the flowers from here? Can you smell the flowers from here?
Yes, they smell sweet and fresh. Yes, they smell sweet and fresh.
What color butterfly did you see? What color butterfly did you see?
It was orange and black, very pretty. It was orange and black, very pretty.
Do you want to learn about plants? Do you want to learn about plants?
Yes, I want to know everything. Yes, I want to know everything.
Are you getting hungry yet? Are you getting hungry yet?
A little bit, but I'm having fun. A little bit, but I'm having fun.
What sound do you hear right now? What sound do you hear right now?
I hear birds singing and leaves rustling. I hear birds singing and leaves rustling.
Do you think our garden is beautiful? Do you think our garden is beautiful?
Yes, it's the most beautiful garden ever. Yes, it's the most beautiful garden ever.
Can you count how many roses we have? Can you count how many roses we have?
I can see 5 red roses from here. I can see 5 red roses from here.
What would you like to plant next? What would you like to plant next?
Can we plant some strawberries, Dad? Can we plant some strawberries, Dad?
Are you learning a lot today? Are you learning a lot today?
Yes, you teach me so many things. Yes, you teach me so many things.
Do you feel the sun on your face? Do you feel the sun on your face?
Yes, it feels warm and nice. Yes, it feels warm and nice.
What's the biggest leaf you can find? What's the biggest leaf you can find?
This one from the maple tree. This one from the maple tree.
Can you hear any insects? Can you hear any insects?
Yes, I can hear crickets chirping. Yes, I can hear crickets chirping.
Do you like our garden talks? Do you like our garden talks?
Yes, these are my favorite times. Yes, these are my favorite times.
What makes you happiest out here? What makes you happiest out here?
Being with you and learning new things. Being with you and learning new things.
Are you tired from running around? Are you tired from running around?
No, I have lots of energy left. No, I have lots of energy left.
Can you see clouds in the sky? Can you see clouds in the sky?
Yes, they look like cotton balls. Yes, they look like cotton balls.
What would you tell your friends about our garden? What would you tell your friends about our garden?
I'd say it's like a magical place. I'd say it's like a magical place.
Do you want to come here again tomorrow? Do you want to come here again tomorrow?
Yes, can we have lunch here too? Yes, can we have lunch here too?
Are you proud of helping me garden? Are you proud of helping me garden?
Yes, I love being your helper. Yes, I love being your helper.
What's the best part of today? What's the best part of today?
Sitting here talking with you, Dad. Sitting here talking with you, Dad.